About 71% of the Earth's surface is water. These waters are the home to millions of organisms. Therefore, organisms made up of one or more cells that are invisible to the human eye live in every part of this water. Simply known as microbes, they contribute greatly to the ecological balance. In this video, you will be presented with mind-blowing live microscopic views of freshwater microorganisms and some interesting facts about them. Vorticella is a genus of bell-shaped ciliates that have stalks to attach themselves to substrates. The stalks have contractile my1-mes, allowing them to pull the cell body against substrates. The formation of the stalk happens after the free-swimming stage. Some rotifers are free-swimming and truly planktonic, others move by inchworming along a substrate, and some are sessile, living inside tubes or gelatinous holdfasts that are attached to a substrate. Colpidium colpida are free-living ciliates commonly found in many freshwater environments, including streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds across the world. Colpidium colpida is also frequently found inhabiting wastewater treatment plants. Paramecium were among the first ciliates to be observed by microscopists in the late 17th century. They were probably known to the Dutch pioneer of protozoology, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, and were clearly described by his contemporary Christiaan Huygens in a letter from 1678. Diatoms are unicellular organisms. They occur either as solitary cells or in colonies, which can take the shape of ribbons, fans, zigzags, or stars. Individual cells range in size from 2 to 200 micrometers. The nematodes, roundworms, or eelworms constitute the phylum Nematoda. They are a diverse animal phylum inhabiting a broad range of environments. Most species are free-living, feeding on microorganisms, but there are many that are parasitic. Cyclops is one of the most common genera of freshwater copepods, comprising over 400 species. Together with other similar-sized, non-copod freshwater crustaceans, especially Cladocera, they are commonly called water fleas. The name Cyclops comes from the Cyclops of Greek mythology. Nauplii look especially otherworldly and do not resemble how they will look as adult crustaceans. Like other zooplankton, they have feathery appendages to keep them from sinking to the bottom. The feathers on their heads propel their swimming. Many nauplii don't even have mouth parts, so they don't eat. Hydrocnidia, also known as water mites, Hydrocnidia, Hydrocarina, or Hydrochnelli, are among the most abundant and diverse groups of benthic arthropods, composed of 6,000 described species from 57 families. The mosquito larva's head has prominent mouth brushes used for feeding, a large thorax with no legs, and a segmented abdomen. It breathes air through a siphon on its abdomen, so must come to the surface frequently. It spends most of its time feeding on algae, bacteria, and other microbes in the water's surface layer. Spirogyra common names include water silk, mermaid's tresses, and blanketweed is a genus of filamentous charophyte green algae of the order Zygnematales, named for the helical or spiral arrangement of the chloroplasts that is characteristic of the genus. The waternet, genus Hydrodictyon, is a taxon of freshwater green algae in the family Hydrodictiaceae. Hydrodictyon does well in clean eutrophic water, and has become a nuisance in New Zealand, where it has been recently introduced. Bacteria are ubiquitous, mostly free-living organisms often consisting of one biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms, typically a few micrometers in length. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth. In this microscopic footage, you can see some ciliates feeding on them. We have reached the end. So what can you say about this video? If you are a person who loves the nature, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you again in the next video. Have a great day.